Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put a post in drafts on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and select a random picture from your gallery. So I'm going to select this one. Then you need to click on the next in the top right, and here you need to select any of the filters. So let me select this filter. Then you need to click on next again on the top right, and once you are on that screen, you simply need to click on the icon in the top left, and then you need to click on back again and click on save draft. So this is a process by which you can save post in Instagram draft. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.